Today, I am visiting the Ho Chi Tunnel Complex. You can choose to do this with an organized tour from Ho Chi Minh City or arrange it yourself, which is what I did. To get there, first take bus number 13 from September 23rd Park in downtown Ho Chi Minh City. This will take you to Ho Chi Village. There, transfer to bus 79 heading towards Bin Duoc. Let the bus driver know that you want to visit the tunnels, and they will tell you when to get off. The entrance fee for the tunnels, including a guided tour, is 90,000 Vietnamese dong, which is a bit less than $4 US. Upon arrival, you'll receive a brief introduction to the history of Vietnam, after which the guide will lead you towards the tunnels. Here, you'll have the opportunity to crawl through multiple tunnels yourself, giving you a glimpse into what life was like here.
Hello. Take it.
Thank you.
After a long and impressive day, it was time to return to Ho Chi Minh City. You do this by taking the same two buses again. First, bus 79 to Ho Chi, and from there, bus 13 to Ho Chi Minh City. This trip is an essential piece of history not to be missed during your visit to South Vietnam.